semi-lifeless corpse walks over to Louis and you grab his hands and that can kill you for like, voluntary manslaughter.
Oh, you're going to prison for manslaughter.
Oh, no, not the Bob.
The guy with the tits in the mid.
Oh, yeah.
It like just splats the gravy onto their faces, like.
Well, I didn't think we were at SeaWorld.
The sisters in the background, like swimming in the gravy, like, ah, yeah.
Why am I so small?
Oh no.
I feel like Han Solo in that one Star Wars film.
When does he get small?
What was Liam Neeson in that Star Wars film? He was just swimming for like 3 hours.
I think you watched an edit, Michael.
Yeah, that was a deep fake. That's where society's going. People are just gonna like celebrate their suicides.
Barbecue bacon burger. Barbecue bacon burger.
I love how you were gearing up to say something, you just backed off, you were just like, yeah.
Oh no, I don't think I would ever see my family again if I said that. Do you want to join ISIS?
I'm filling out my application right now, actually.
Adam, it's upside down.
They said they don't accept people with learning difficulties. I guess that's me out.
It's learning difficulty.
Bruh.
Oh, fuck's
Me 9/11, me, yeah.
So, watch any interesting movies recently?
45 minutes ago I watched one. It was some sort of dyslexic Christmas film.
Oh.
It had top rated on Paramount. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. I don't know. Tim Dillon was in it. It's the security guard.
Oh yeah, Joker, fully ado.
It was a scary film, but it was a Christmas film. It just came out on the TV.
TV, haven't heard of that.
It came out on the TV. So there was a really funny scene in it, and the only notable thing I'll talk about. I'm not even going to talk about what it's about. But I'll talk about one scene.
I thought you would laugh so hard at this, because his nose separated like this here around his stick. Like a nostril was on each side of the stick, and he was just like oinking like a pig for some reason. He was like, he looked over at his passenger, and, and his eyes were all like this. His eyes and nostrils.
If you see someone get like horribly decapitated in a movie, and your first thought is, Adam would find this funny.
The reason I was laughing at it, I was picturing your reaction to it.
I want to say it though.
Yeah, Daddy's not coming home for Christmas.
Mommy's with the maggots now.
Remember that old man came out the house. He's like, he lassoed you from the horse when you were knocking on the lamppost, right?
Fuck's sake.
He dragged you over to like his back garden where he had this big old cinder block, and he put your teeth on it. Remember that?
Yes.
And your teeth were on it, and I was like concerned. Yeah, sorry about that. So, how was your week?
Awful. Constantly shouting. I fucking shouted. 'Cause I'm a fucking stupid fool.
been stuck in this shitty van for the whole week. I think I've just amputated my legs because I don't even need them anymore. Yeah, when you brake too hard, sometimes the parcels all fly around you, like it's like a scene from Doctor Strange. And then I hit the accelerator at the perfect time, and everything freezes around me. Like you got like scoliosis too, so your neck's all the way back here while your legs are at this side of the van. So your head is peeking up over the van, occupying that space. Your legs driving, and you're like pushing the van with your arms at the side. Your really long arms, like skateboard. And you hit the ramp at the Amazon factory, and you fly to your destination.
Oh, that's fucked up.
It's just your body parts all like flopping to get escape, and then you all like form together again.
So you know the end of
I got a moral.
What's the movie? You know the movie The Iron Giant? And he gets blown up
Yeah.
but then it's like all of his body parts like coming together. It's just like my head's in the alleyway and my like arms crawling over and like joins in.
And this is just going to be a quick update video right now.
He's like, wait a minute, can't fight yet, and then finally his cigar flies in.
On your computer, it will search the entire internet, and if it finds a coupon code, it will apply it. Here's how Honey works. We're currently on Macy's. We have a $279 mixer, and we're gonna add it to our bag. Because we have the Honey add-on, all we have to do is hit apply coupon when checking out on any website. And boom, Honey actually found a coupon code that saved us $50. And that in a nutshell is how Honey works. And here's a list of all the websites Honey works on. You should really install it because you'll save thousands of dollars of your lifetime. Here's how you install Honey. You hit add to Chrome, you hit add extension, now you have Honey.
Breeding.
That's incredibly offensive. I happen to really like her. That we can't breathe in the same room as other people because...
Huh? Bruh. Huh? Huh? Bruh.